Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to authorize please try again on TikTok in your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to log in your TikTok account in your iPhone but you're facing this problem and you are unable to log in your TikTok account in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix this. So guys, here you can also see that I am also facing this problem in my device. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here you have to open settings in your device, and from here tap on your Apple ID, and from here tap on sign in and security, and from here scroll it below and make sure that the two-factor authentication is turned on. So as if it is off, simply turn it on, and after this go back and make sure that you are signed in to your Apple ID in your iPhone. So if you have not signed in your Apple ID in your device, simply sign in your Apple ID in your iPhone, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. So if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution. That is, you have to open settings in your device, tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll it below, tap on TikTok, and from here offload your TikTok app for one time and go back to your app store from here, and from here you have to simply search for TikTok. Here it is. So I download and install the latest version of TikTok in your device, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then you have to contact TikTok support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will help you to fix this problem in your device. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.